Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date, Thursday, March 12th, 2015. So we're looking at oil, and the reason why I'm bringing this to your attention today is because there's a key trend line I'm following on the daily chart. And I want you guys to now start focusing in on this because it's going to be big. This is big, folks. You can see oil today is down just a little bit on the USO. USO, again, the tracking ETF for oil. In fact, we just hit double bottom from yesterday right here. Beautiful little level on a technical basis. But having said that, the real level we're watching is on the daily chart. Take a look at the daily chart, and again, right now I haven't drawn it in, but I'm going to draw it in. So see this little long dip, and then right here is where we start to put in a little bit of a base. Take these highs, connect it right through, okay? So again, let me just show you this. Connect these highs through this high, right through this little pivot high here, and these lows, because we were above it. We then hit it again on the low. Then we came over, hit it again right here, and this is where we are yesterday and today. This is the trend line that you're watching, because as long as the USO stays above this level, okay, you should be neutral to positive on oil. I know that seems kind of crazy considering it's down today, down a little yesterday, but believe it or not, analysis shows, charting shows, that as long as we hold this down-sloping trend line, positive bias on oil. If it breaks below this on a closing basis, meaning at the end of the day, if it closes below this line, then you look for an easy move to double bottom, which is around the 1640 level. It's about $1.10 lower on the USO, okay? That would be your next support. But again, as long as we're in this trading range right here along this trend line, believe it or not, this is a bullish in spirit of consolidation pattern. And again, a lot of people don't understand that. They see, oil and the media is so negative, et cetera, et cetera. And listen, we still could break down. There's no doubt about it. You have to watch it here and see. But again, all I'm saying to you is that watch this trend line. I'm alerting you to stuff that literally the institutions, the hedge funds look at. All right, the media doesn't really harp on this stuff because they don't know it. They don't really have the time to explain it to the average investor. Plus, the average investor, frankly, the institutions and the hedge funds don't want the average investor to know this stuff. But I'm giving you the secrets here. This is the trend line to watch to know if oil should be breaking up or if it's going to break down. And again, as long as we're here in this range, even if oil's down a little bit like today, you are still on a green zone, which tells you, again, potential for upside is there. It absolutely is there, and it'll be something I'm watching very, very closely. Okay? So that, again, is a heads up for you guys at home. Watch this. Watch it closely because, again, this is the key point. All right, understand this, and literally this could be your next $1 million trade. I gave you out the LL. All right, if the oil holds here, when it starts to move up, it's going to take a big short squeeze with it. Okay, now again, if it doesn't and breaks down, well, then it goes to double bottom. There's no doubt about it, maybe even a little lower. But again, right now, as long as it's holding, I've got an upside neutral bias to this, and that's, again, the angle I'm looking for. If it starts to run, it's going to squeeze, and then you got to be very, very bullish on it. All right, guys, come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com, 7-day free trial. This is where it's at. This is where you beat the institutions. Look at our track records. They speak for themselves. 7-day free trial here. Come join us.